a band for today's practice, so just a band. You can go ahead and set your band aside. We're gonna find our warm-up. So go ahead and start with your feet about hip distance apart. Soft bend into those knees. We'll inhale, reach those arms above our head. Good, exhale, lower those arms, those hands to your side. Good, inhale, rise up. Exhale, lower. 2 more, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower, 1 more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. This time, come high onto your tippy toes. Reach those arms up overhead. Then exhale, drop into your heels. Reach the crown of your head forward. Lift your toes up off of the mat. Put your fingertips back behind you. Inhale, rock forward, high onto your tippy toes. Exhale, drop back into your heels. Lift your toes. Take your time here. Good. Two more here. 1 more. Excellent. Pause, come back through center. Energetically reach your fingertips down towards the ground. Take your chin, let it fall to your chest, and then slowly let your right ear reach to your right shoulder. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Chin to chest. Right ear, right shoulder. Take your time moving through this half circle pattern in your head and neck. If it feels good to pause in a certain place, you absolutely can. Good. 1 more time, each direction. Excellent. Inhale, slowly come back through center. Reach the crown of your head back up. And then this time, press your palms down into the ground. Point your fingertips forward. Take your chin over your right shoulder as you exhale. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, over left. Alternating sides. Seeing how far back you can peek over that shoulder with just moving your head and neck. Good. Keep pressing those palms down into the ground. Let those shoulders follow. 2 more times, each direction. 1 more. Beautiful. Reach those fingertips back down towards the ground. We'll inhale, shrug shoulders to ears. Exhale, roll them back and down into your back pockets. Inhale, shrug them towards your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Take your time. Inhale, shrug. Exhale, roll. Let your shoulder blades glide along your rib cage behind you. Good. 2 more. 1 more. Excellent. Extend those arms to your side. Let them just kind of loosely hang. You'll start to rotate just the barrel of your chest, side to side. Hips, knees, and toes will stay pointed forward. Soft bend into your knees. Good. We're rotating from that mid-back, right where your ribs insert into your spine. Good. Arms are just going along for the ride. You've got this. Excellent. 2 more times, each direction. 1 more. Excellent. This time, let's take our hips and shoulders together. So pivot on the balls of your feet. Let your hips and shoulders move in the same direction. Good. Again, finding that rotation, but this time, hips and shoulders move together so that rotation occurs at that upper leg bone. Gorgeous. Good. 2 more, each side. 1 more. Excellent. Let's take those arms back. Find that back shoulder-like pattern. So as you reach your hips and shoulders to the right, right arm goes back. As you reach your hips and shoulders to the left, left arm goes back. Excellent. Good. You can find a bent elbow. You can find the elbow extended. This gets you every time. It's not very nice. Good. 1 more. Excellent. Pause. Come back through center. Take your hands to your hips this time, feet again about hip distance apart. Soft bend into those knees. You'll take your pelvis and trace the perimeter of your feet with your pelvis. Good, so bend deeply into those knees as your pelvis comes forward, maybe even forward of the toes. And then bring it out around your knife edge or pinky toe side of your foot, back around your heels, and then out over the opposite pinky toe side of your foot. Good. Excellent. And we're just exploring as we warm up. So think about how your hips are feeling, your low back, your pelvis, your low belly. 2 more. Good, 1 more time. Excellent, let's go the opposite direction. We're also finding flexion and extension through our hips, our knees, and our ankles here. So just be aware of those hips, knees, and ankles as well as you start to warm up. Good, 2 more times. Excellent, 1 more. Good, keeping your hands on your hips, your knees and toes pointed forward. You'll inhale, reach the crown of your head forward, flat back. Send your sits bones back behind you. Spread your pelvis back. Then exhale, squeeze your glutes, push your pelvis forward. Inhale, hinge. Spread and open the back of your pelvis. Good. Exhale, press your hips forward, squeeze your bottom. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, press, stand tall. Gorgeous. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. 2 more times. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. 1 last time. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. Beautiful. Turn those toes slightly in. We're going to feel the broadness of our hamstrings now. Inhale, hinge forward from your hips. Good. Exhale, squeeze those glutes, push those hips forward. Same thing. Inhale, hinge. Flat back. Exhale, press those hips forward. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, push. 2 more times. Good. Not rounding that spine, keeping that really flat back. Gorgeous, guys. Yep. 1 more. 1 more. Good. Now let's take those toes out. Your heels are in. You can even find a wider stance if that feels good for you. Open up. We're going to find star pose. So push your hips forward. Engage the back line of your body. Reach your fingertips to the corners of your space. Good. Then exhale. Sink your hands and your hips down to the ground. Pull your knees out over your pinky toes. Inhale. Open up. Exhale. Sink and lower. Gorgeous. Inhale, open. Exhale, sink and lower. You've got it. Inhale, open. Exhale, sink and lower. Open up and lower. 2 more times. Open and lower. 1 more. Open and lower. Stay low. Take your hands to the tops of your legs. Your fingertips will point to the middle where the pants seat. You'll drop your left shoulder down, look over your right. Good. Inhale, come back through center. Drop your right shoulder, look over your left. You've got it. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop. Find that twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. 2 more each side. Good. 1 more. Beautiful. Keep your hands on the tops of your legs. Heel toe your feet back to about hip distance apart. Hands come to the tops of the legs. Reach the crown of your head forward, your tailbone back. Good, so you've got this nice neutral spine. Now I want you to find flexion and extension of that spine. It's an inhale. Lift your tailbone, drop your belly, reach your heart and your gaze toward the ceiling and the wall meet. Gorgeous. Then exhale, tuck your tailbone under, round. Draw your shoulder blades away from one another, tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift your tailbone, drop your belly, lift your heart and gaze toward the ceiling and the wall meet. Good. Exhale, curl it around, push, chin to chest. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. 1 more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Good. Slowly come all the way back up, stacking those shoulders on top of the hips, hips over those knees. Beautiful. We'll find those feet about hip distance apart. Take those arms, cross them across your chest, or find prayer. Sit back like you're searching for a chair. Then stand tall. Good. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you stand tall. Inhale, lower. Exhale, stand tall. 4 more. Good. It's 3. 2 more. 1 more. Beautiful. Good. Take those feet, staggered stance, right foot forward, left foot back. Soft bend into the knees. We'll find our hinging pattern. We've been here before. Inhale, hinge. Good, exhale, squeeze your booty cheeks, push your hips forward. You got it. Inhale, hinge. Good, exhale, press. 2 more. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, press. 1 more time. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, press. Good. Now I want you to shift forward so that your weight of your right leg is completely over your right foot. Yep. You're going to kickstand your left toes, so toes down, maybe even the ball of your foot is down. You're going to take your pelvis and you're going to reach it over to the right side of your space. Good, then you're going to steer your pelvis over to the left side of your space to open up. Good. Exhale, reach it to the right. Inhale, open to the left. You've got to keep your weight in that right foot, right leg, so you're feeling that right glute really have to turn on. Good. 1 more time, each direction. Beautiful. Shift your weight now back into your left foot. So left foot is completely grounded. Right toes will lift, right heel is down. Inhale, sweep those arms up overhead. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Send your heart to your right toes. Then inhale, scoop your hands on either side of that extended right leg. Do it again. Exhale, dive. Inhale, rise. You got it. Take your time. Two more. 2 more. One more time. Excellent. Switch those legs out. Take your left foot forward, right foot back. Good, soft bend into those knees. Hips, knees, and toes all point in the same direction. Hands come to your hips. That'll help to steer your right hip forward and pull your left hip back. Soft bend, hinge as you inhale. Exhale, stand tall. Stack your shoulders on top of your hips. Squeeze your bottom. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. 2 more times. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. 1 more time here. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. Shift your weight into your front left leg. Good. Most of that weight is on that left foot. Right heel is lifted. Right toes can connect. Right ball of your foot can connect. Steer your hips over to the left side of your space as you exhale. Good. Inhale. Stack your right hip on top of your left. Exhale. Sweep your hips to the left. Good. Inhale. Sweep them to the right. So we're closing the hips and then we're opening the hips. Beautiful. 2 more. Close them. Open them. 1 more time. Close and open. Beautiful. Go ahead, take your weight into your right leg so your right foot is planted. Left toes are lifted, left heel is down. Inhale, reach arms up overhead. Then exhale, reach your heart to your toes. Scoop your hands on either side of that extended left leg. Rise up as you inhale. Good, exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale. Inhale. 2 more, exhale. Inhale. 1 more, exhale. Inhale. Beautiful, let those arms fall to your side. Take those feet about hip distance apart. We're going to find our heel pulls. Draw your right heel towards your bottom. Good. Excellent. Beautiful. Good. Stay here for 5. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Soldier kicks, opposite leg, opposite arm. Maybe it's hand and knee, maybe it's hand and lower leg, maybe it's hand and foot here. Twist or rotate that upper body. Then find length through those legs. Good. 4 more. It's 3. It's 2. And 1. Good. Skips. Opposite leg, opposite arm. Lift. Gorgeous. Keep your trunk nice and tall. Draw your knee towards your chest. Reach the opposite arm overhead. So you've got this reciprocal leg, reciprocal arm patterning. Pull the toes towards the lower legs for 4. It's 3. It's 2. And 1. Excellent. We're coming into our standing march. So we have a total of 10 minutes of cardiovascular training. We are working on our dirty 30s. 30 seconds, all out, max. 30-second recovery. We're going to go back and forth between those 30-second on and 30-second off 10 times. We have 5 different exercises, so we'll cycle through them 2 times. All right, we're going to start with a jump squat. So you've got some options here. You don't necessarily have to find a jump. You can find a squat and then an open, come onto your toes. Good, open. Good, or you can jump, right? It's up to you. Whatever feels best, here or up. You got it. Good. Perfect. Stay with it halfway there. 15 seconds down, 15 seconds to go. Good. Stay with it. Stay with it. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. March it out. 30-second recovery here. Good. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. 15 seconds here. It's a star jump next. So you're going to start in this little ball, and then you're going to open up. You can jump out if that feels good, or you can step, in. Whatever feels best in your body, right? Good. Take this where you need to today. You got it. Excellent. Five more. 4, 3, good. It's 2 and 1. March it out. March it out. Find an inhale through your nose. Find an exhale out of your mouth. Good. Another 15 seconds here of your recovery. We're going to a traditional jumping jack next. 3, 2, 1. Maybe it's here, right? Maybe your arms come overhead, or maybe you take a traditional jack. Up to you, whatever feels best in your body. Yes. Good. Keep your chest lifted. Beautiful. Excellent, everybody. Looking good. Stay with it. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. March it out. Good. Find those inhales through your nose. Find the exhales out of your mouth. Excellent. 15 more seconds here. 15 more seconds in this recovery. We're going to set up in a staggered stance. Right foot forward, left foot back. You're going to drive that left knee towards your hands. Pull, pull, pull. Excellent. Good, good. You've got this. Pull, pull, pull. Keep it up. Halfway there, halfway there. 15 down, 15 to go. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. March it out. $15 seconds. We're going to do it on the other side, so it's going to be a right knee drive coming up next. You'll officially be halfway there. You'll have known all the exercises. We're going to repeat it one more time. Here we go. Reach that right foot back, left foot forward, drive. Good. Perfect. Draw that knee towards the chest. Pull those arms. Good. Yes. You got it. Pull. Good. Stay with it for 3, 2, and 1. March it out. March it out. Good. Halfway there. Second half is easier because you know all the exercises. But we're creating this oxygen deficit as we go through these, which is going to make it a little bit more challenging for the cardiovascular system in the second half. Good, but you can do it. Here we go. We're going to start with our squat with our jump in 3, 2, 1. It's a squat to a jump. Good, good. Reach those arms up overhead. Come up onto your tippy toes or come off those tippy toes. Whatever feels good in your body. You got it. Stay with it. 10 seconds here. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. March it out. Woo. Star jumps in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's out, out, in, or it's a jump, in. Good. You got it. Beautiful. Yes. Five more. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. March it out. Well done. Good. We're working on finding that breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Keep those legs moving. We're going into our jumping jack. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Find the jack that makes sense for you today. Good. Chest is lifted. Yes. Stay with it. 10 seconds. Good. It's 5. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. March it out. March it out. 2 minutes to go. Total 1 minute of work. 1 minute of work. All right. Right foot back, left foot forward, drive your right knee, go. 30 seconds here, come on. Good. You got it. You got it. Pull. Pull. Yes. Stay with it. Good. 10 seconds here. 10 seconds. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. 1 more. 1 more. That's it. Just 30 seconds of work. Find your recovery here. Ten seconds. We're going to go left knee drive. Take your right foot forward, left foot back. Here we go. Drive that knee forward. Good. Yes. Excellent. This is our last time, guys. Make your best. Let's go. Good. Yes. 15 seconds to go. 15. Good. Stay with it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. March it out. You got it. You're going to get a full minute and a half to recover here. So it's going to feel like a ton of recovery compared to your half a minute that you've been getting in between each interval. Maybe grab a drink, catch your breath by finding those inhales and those exhales to really kind of force you into this recovery. Good. Maybe it's a step touch at this point. Good. You feel that heart rate starting to come back down. You feel your breath starting to be able to control it a little bit better. Good. Stay here. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Grab your bands. We're going to start with our standing exercises. So you have 4 band exercises standing, then we'll go 4 band exercises seated. Step on top of that band so your feet are about hip distance apart. You can take your band handles just to your hips, or you can take your bands to your shoulders, whatever feels best in your body. Sit back like you're searching for a chair. That's one part of the exercise. Then maybe you bring those arms up overhead as your second part. Squat. Press. Good. Squat with a press or just a squat. Good. Good. Two more. Good. Excellent. Pause. Come back to center. Let those arms fall to your side. Now you can step on the band with both feet or with one to decrease the amount of resistance. We're going to come out to the side for a lateral raise, just to shoulder head and back to center. Out to the side and center. Good. You got it. Good. Palms reach down. Excellent. Good. Stay here. Stay here. 4 more. Yes, you can. It's 3. It's 2. And 1. Take your band maybe to your hips, feet both on that band, both feet on the band, soft bend in those knees, good, or you can take your band to your shoulders, whatever feels best. You're going to find a lateral step. So you're going to step to the left, and then step to the right. Good, it's left and right. It's left and right. Good. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let the band extend in front of you. Both feet on that band. Good. From here, you're going to go ahead and hinge forward from your hips. We've practiced a lot of hinging patterns in our warm-up. And then you're going to stand tall. Pull those elbows nice and high. High pull. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. Gorgeous. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand tall. Four more here. 3, 2, 1 more. Excellent. Come all the way down to the ground. All the way down. First exercise, we're going to take the band around your feet. And then take your feet nice and wide so that you are creating more resistance. Now, the wider you take your feet, the more resistance you're going to have. The more narrow those feet, the less resistance you're going to have. Sit up nice and tall. Stack your head on top of your shoulders. Shoulders over your hips. Good. Now we're going to pull those elbows back. Pinch shoulder blades together. Extend those arms. Pinch those shoulder blades together as you pull those elbows back. Take your time here. Good. Pull and pinch. You've got it. Excellent. Good. Stay with it. It's 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your feet about hip distance apart. Band is still around the bottom of your feet. Good. We're going to go ahead and bend our knees so that our heels are down, our toes are up. Tuck your tailbone under so that you rock back onto the soft part of your bottom. And then take your trunk and slightly hinge it back behind you so you feel your belly start to really turn on. Gorgeous. Now maybe you go ahead and just rock back and then come forward, or maybe you extend those legs all the way and then pull. So maybe you extend and pull, right? Good, yes. Perfect. You've got it. You've got it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3 more. Good. It's 2. 1 more. Excellent. Sit up nice and tall. Beautiful. We're going to find a capital T in that upper body. So take those arms out nice and wide. Then bring them back through center. Good. Open up and center. Open, center. Open. Beautiful. Open, center. Good. Really exaggerated posture. You've got it. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Take those arms straight back behind you for 10, 9, good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job, guys. Come on up, let's do those 8 exercises one more time through. You can grab the ring towel off if you need to. We're going to stand on the band. Again, feet about hip distance apart. Your band can come to your hips or it can come to your shoulders, whatever feels best in your body. Go ahead and sit back like you're searching for that chair. Then press those arms up overhead. Good. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press. Inhale, lower. Press. Perfect. 4 more here. 4, 3, good. It's 2, and 1. Take those arms to your side. Let's find our lateral raise, just to shoulder height, and then down. Good. Five more. 4 more. 3. Good. 2. 1. Excellent. Lateral step. So band to your hips or to your shoulders, whatever feels good. Soft bend in those knees. We're going to step to the right first, then step left. Step right and left. Excellent. Two more each direction. 1 more. Perfect. Go ahead and take the band in front of you. Find your feet about hip distance apart. Good. Inhale, hinge. Reach the crown of your head forward, tailbone back. Exhale, stand tall. Lead with your elbows. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, stand. Good. You got it. Good, stay here. 3 more. 2, 1. Excellent, come all the way down to the mat. Legs extended out in front of you. Sit up nice and tall. Stack your head on top of your shoulders, shoulders over your hips. Extend your arms out in front of you. Then pull those elbows back, pinch the shoulder blades together. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull. Good. You got it. Two more times. One more. Perfect. Take those feet about hip distance apart. Good. Soft bend in the knees. Heels are down, toes are up. I'm going to extend my trunk back. I'm going to tuck my tailbone under. I've got options. I can extend those legs, or I can reach my trunk back, right? Good. Inhale, then exhale as you pull. Inhale, exhale. Two more. One more. Yes. Good. Extend those legs right out in front of you. Beautiful. We're going to find that T. So you're going to open up. Pull those elbows back. Pinch the shoulder blades together. Good. You got it. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Excellent. Push those arms straight back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Get rid of the band. Go ahead and find your child's pose. So big toes come to touch, knees out wide. Press your hips back towards your heels. Reach your fingertips to the top of the mat. Then take your forehead, connect your forehead down. You can let the forearms reach down into the mat as well. Breathe into the back line of your body. Keep your hips reaching towards your heels. Find your breath. Sorry, Marky Mark. Not really the vibe for stretching. 2 more breaths in this child's pose. 1 more time. Beautiful. We're going to come into puppy pose. So take your hips right over your knees and then extend those arms out in front of you. Reach your trunk down towards the ground. Maybe your chin connects to the ground, maybe your forehead to the ground. The difference here is that your hips are lifted and you're trying to find a little bit more space through the shoulders, through the armpits, driving the chest down towards the ground, keeping those hips up towards the sky. 2 more breaths. Stay active by keeping the forearms lifted up off of that mat. 1 more breath. Crawl those hands back through center. Take the hands directly underneath those shoulders, knees again underneath your hips. Let's find your cat and your cows. Inhale. Lift your tailbone, drop your belly, reach your heart gaze to where the skin and the wall meet. Then exhale, push into your hands, round through your spine, tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your heart gaze. Exhale, round and curl. 2 more times. Excellent. Come to your bottom. Let's extend our left leg out. Take our right foot to the inside of our left leg. So along that inner left leg line. Good. Reach those arms above your head and then rotate towards that extended left leg. Take your hands to frame that left leg and reach your heart towards your toes. Good, so don't let your back round. Stay lifted, lifting through your side bodies, through your front and your back bodies. Excellent. Now curl around, let it go. Beautiful. Keep that rounding in your spine. Just crawl your hands over to the right side of your space. Keep your left hip, left leg down. Just finding that side body stretch through that left side. Beautiful. Crawl your hands back through center. Inhale, reach your trunk back up. Swap out your legs. Extend your right leg. Go ahead and bend into your left. Take the left to the inside of that right. Inhale, arms come up overhead. Exhale, rotate towards that extended right leg. Straight back, reach towards your toes. Good, pull the toes towards the lower leg. Gorgeous, keep that really long spine. And then exhale, let it round, fall. Slowly move your hands over to the left side of your space. Keep that right hip grounded. Stretch that right side body. Slowly come back through center. Inhale, the crown of head back up. Let's find that those legs extended in that wide leg position. Take your hands, let them reach forward. Try to keep your trunk really tall. So keep that really tall, long spine. Pull the toes back towards your lower legs and reach your heart forward. Good. Just breathe here. Find those inhales through your nose. Exhales out of your mouth. One more time. Good, now let yourself round. Maybe reach your arms a little further forward, round through your spine. Slowly crawl those hands back through center. Take your hands to the outside of your legs, bend into those knees, and then close them up like a book. Round, let your body fall over that lower body. Upper body rounds. Maybe connect your forehead to your knees. Open the back line of your body. Just breathe through that spine, shoulder blades, back of the pelvis. One more breath. Beautiful. Find a comfortable seated position. Inhale, reach those arms up overhead. Exhale, take your hands to heart center. Pause here. Thank yourself for showing up, for giving yourself this time and this space to find your strength, to find your cardiovascular training, and to find your flexibility training. Well done, excellent job. Give yourself a hand. Thank you, guys.